So the focus of the youth, my point is, focus of the youth should be the earnings right now. The ticking bomb, if they are not focused on their earnings, their careers, and it's true for any person. If your finances are in good order, then you can do better things. You will think positively. If there's a problem and your focus is on politics or something else, obviously that is a ticking bomb. So that's what I want to change, and not only when we do this.
So it's not going to be a traditional classroom, teaching or training. It's an AI-based training, so anyone can go, and the platform is there, free of cost, available to the Pakistani youth.
So there are two phases. Phase one is like online platform, which you're sitting in a village, you're sitting in a city, you can go online, register, and it will act as a live tutor. So it will train you up and then connect you with the right platforms where you can go and offer your services. So you become a freelancer, which is the first stage of becoming an entrepreneur. Second phase is all the districts of Pakistan. I'm with my partners and I'm discussing this, and we're setting up first one in Islamabad, have the co-working spaces. So because what happens when they start making some money, then there are people, there are youth who has the potential to become the next Elon Musk, to become the next Jeff Bezos, so that they can get together, they get all the support, and we get like few heroes like them. I think this country is onto a winner already.